Hey, going to do a quick review on Kindle Ready Light Choco Briquets. You want them? Hang on a minute, I'm gonna let the dog. No, you can wait a minute. Okay, we grilled out over the weekend. This is what we used. You, uh, the weekend was Labor Day weekend. It's a Save Light brand. It's a Save Light charcoal brand. It's a lot cheaper than what you pay for the other name brands. I'm drawing blank on names of them. But I've been using it pretty off and on about 10 years when we grill out. It's a pretty good brand. It's easy to light. You already got charcoal lighter fluid on it. All you need is a match or a lighter to get it started. This is a 6-pound bag, so it's big enough to do most. It's enough to cook most stuff you're gonna cook one time on a grill. It's pretty good little charcoal when you're gonna grill out. You see, we used it over the week. Used it this weekend, Labor Day weekend. And we're grilling food out. So it's a lot cheaper than like your other name brand charcoal. Burning charcoal. It's got your standard warnings not to burn it in your home. Make sure you got ventilated area. If anybody got any common sense knows that. It's got advanced shape, new shape. No lighter fluid necessary. Ready to light charcoal briquets. And it starts faster. This is Save Light's Kindle Ready to Light Charcoal Briquets. You can use when you're grilling out. You got a charcoal grill, not a gas one.